I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to activate Wi-Fi hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now at the top of the list you will notice more under wireless and networks. You should click on it and now click on tethering and portable hotspot. So here smoothly by tapping on portable Wi-Fi hotspot you can activate your personal hotspot. Just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, your portable hotspot is active, so now you can share network with other devices. If you would like to change the network name or the password, smoothly click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, it's here, and then by tapping and erasing the current one, you can enter a new network name. So let me enter HardReset. And then also you can change the password. If you will click on Show Password, you will be able to see what your current password is. Then you can smoothly erase it and enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. Click on Save to upload the changes, and that's it. Now your Wi-Fi hotspot name is HardReset, and then the password is whichever you set it up. And that's it. Then if you'd like to switch off portable hotspot, smoothly click here. Also you can find portable hotspot icon, the quick access to portable hotspot, at the upper bar. Smoothly slide it down and locate hotspot icon, smoothly click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Now it's active and you can share network with other devices, and then by tapping on the same switcher you can turn it off, so you can also have a quick access to a Wi-Fi hotspot. So that would be all. This is how you can share internet through ELEPHONE C1 Max. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.